Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove your Honda Fit side mirror cover. This process is quite straightforward and can be accomplished with just a few basic tools. First, ensure you have a plastic trim removal tool readily available to prevent any potential scratches. It's also a good idea to clean the mirror glass, giving you a clear and unobstructed view of the components you'll be working with. Let's get started on safely detaching that cover. Next, you'll need to carefully pry the mirror glass itself. This will give you access to the retaining clips that hold the cover in place. Look closely, and you should find 4 clips in total, 2 positioned along the top edge and 2 along the bottom. Using your plastic trim tool, gently but firmly press each clip to release it. Take your time to avoid any damage to the mirror or housing. Once all 4 clips are disengaged, the next step is to carefully detach the cover. For some models, the skull cap and the black bottom piece need to be removed together. You will need to press all 4 tabs simultaneously to fully release the cover from the mirror housing. Gently pull the cover straight away. Remember to use steady, even pressure and avoid any sudden, forceful movements to prevent breaking any plastic components. Now, for reinstallation, simply reverse the process. Carefully align the mirror cover and its bottom piece with the main mirror housing. Make sure all 4 clips are lined up correctly. Then, apply firm, even pressure until you hear each of the 4 clips audibly snap into place, indicating a secure fit. Finally, give the mirror a gentle wiggle to ensure it is firmly attached and functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.